line over here. So now you have that brim of that hat. Very similar to like Santa hats, but you know, pulling a curve this direction, pulling a curve here to a point, and then I'm going to have a ball at the end of it, but that one's going to be like a bell more so. So I'm going to draw a line. I don't know. I know there's a cool big eyes. I'll draw another version as well later, you know, with big eyes like on another day, another lesson. But I like the dots for eyes. Beginner can do them from the beginning to end because I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Like I said, if you do like that stuff, as far as the channel goes, it helps the channel out. It's good for the algorithm. There is no downside to you. Like, it will not overwhelm your feed. It'll probably tell you about like every fourth video because I'm posting 15 videos a week. So it'll probably tell you about every fourth video. It's not going to overwhelm your feed. It's completely free. And if you do find my work worth your time, please consider subscribing because it does help. But anyways, let's get back. makes it look nice, like just around the contour. So all around the edge, I'm gonna create a bolder line. And I think it just looks better and nicer. While I'm doing that, let me talk to you. This channel is amazing. This channel is literally my life. I am constantly thinking about this channel when I go to sleep, and when I wake up, I think about this channel. I've had this channel for 6 years, and I've never worked on it more than I have this year because of you know, the craziness of this year. So I've had a lot of time to be inside, and so I draw, and drawing is literally the easiest, funnest thing. This is a highlight of my day doing this. The only thing that's hard, and I say this in every video, is editing. Editing is extremely hard. I have to edit 3 videos a day, and then I have to write the description. And so that is a bit of a downer, you know? So that there is one thing, if you do want to help out the channel, what you can do, there's literally one thing you can do that's better than anything. You can share a video. Share a video anywhere. There's a share button below this. You can share it on Facebook, on Tumblr, on Twitter, anywhere. And when you do that, it just brings this positive vibe to the channel, and it makes me think like, wow, like there's people out there that, you know, that like this stuff, that really, you know, that are there. It's like I'm not talking to an empty room. And it just makes all that work I do completely worth it. So it makes me feel really good. And like I said, it makes it all worthwhile. So if you do ever want to help, please, you know, help out if you can. If you're not, I understand. It's very similar to like tipping a waiter, you know, except when you tip a waiter, that's money. This is free. I guess it costs you your time. And I think it costs you like a minute maybe, or a few seconds to share. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you got to this point, please do me a favor and say hi in the comments. That means you reached the end of the video. And that is it. This has been Easy Pictures to Draw, and Merry Christmas.